left of our wind farm, our beautiful wind farm, is this is going to be going on for quite some time. It's going to be, they're saying maybe up to 3 years. Not all of this type of work, but by the time everything is done, the roadways are tore out, which is a huge job. All this diesel fuel into the environment, all this noise has scared all the wildlife away. And if by chance ever a turtle was to live here, which they don't, apparently they're putting in these roadways along the sides of the roads to keep the turtles safe, but it's private property. Nobody drives on it. Anyways, great way to spend taxpayers' money, I would say, and it's despicable, absolutely despicable to a wind farm that was ready to produce clean, green energy. It was all ready to go.